Guys, today you are going to practice working through information that is going to help you understand the difference between relative location and absolute location. So as you go through the slides, you're going to be learning information. Some of the information might be things you've already known, but there should be some new information that you probably don't talk about very often. Some of these are going to ask you to think about where your house is or where you live and how you could talk about where you live using different directional things. So each slide is going to have a recorded voice on it too to help you. But for example, this first slide, just think of 5 ways you could describe where you live. An example would be near Ingalls. So if you were telling your friend where you live, what might you say? You might think about things that are near your house or not far from your house, and you might use those to tell them where you live. There might be other ways to tell where you live too that aren't just telling things that you are near, but you're going to try and think of 5 ways to describe where you live as the first activity. Some of the slides are just meant for you to read them so that you learn information, and then some of them have examples of things for you to practice. So if you ever see that type here or you see numbers, you know that you should be answering things. But this slide here, there's no type here, there's no question mark, there's no missing answers. This one's just for reading. So take some time and go through this, and by the end of your activity you should be able to understand what's different about relative location and absolute location.